With the new 22 model year Jeep Compass, we've maintained all of our off-road capability grit in the vehicle with 80 years of Jeep DNA, while adding additional technology to the vehicle to enhance that customer experience.
Besides the amazing new interior and exterior styling updates, there's many new technologies in the Compass that build off of the 10.25-inch frameless digital cluster and the 8.4-inch or 10.1-inch touchscreen displays. New to the Compass is Highway Assist automated driving system, a new 360-degree surround view camera system, new parallel and perpendicular park assist and traffic sign recognition systems, and the next generation Uconnect 5 system. We also have standard wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and an available wireless charging pad, 115-volt power outlet, and Type A and C USB ports.
On the fascia, we both have the on-road approach, departure, and breakover angles, and then it's more importantly into the off-road vehicle, the 4x4 Trailhawk, where we maintain our 30-degree approach, 24-degree breakover, and our 34-degree departure angles. So active drive low allows us to use a different FDR or final drive ratio in the transmission compared to the on-road vehicle, and that allows us to maintain our 20-to-1 crawl ratio in our Trailhawk. Our active drive low system is class leading, and that allows us to maintain that trail rating. Both systems that have 4x4 capability, we maintain our 2,000-pound tow rating, and then on those vehicles as well, the all-wheel drive and 4x4 capability models, we get over 400 miles range with our 30 miles per gallon highway.
Close collaboration is required with the design studio and engineering to ensure that the sensors and cameras necessary to support the active and safety and security features or the autonomous driving features that we're building today, but also making sure that the styling of the vehicle is protected.
With their 80 years of experience, the new 22 model year Jeep Compass still maintains its off-road grit to the vehicle.
So for the 2022 Jeep Compass, our goal was to design and create this extraordinary cabin that emphasized technology and functionality. We really listen to the feedback of our customers and also provide and design solutions that best meets their requirements and also their wants and needs, like improving storage and also the looks and feel of the interior space. The inspiration of the interior design really comes from the Jeep iconic values of just being simple, practical, and honest. Every detail is also organized, whether it's the placements of the controls or the positions of the screens. We just really want to keep it very simple and intuitive for the driver and passenger so that they can really appreciate the surrounding and the nature around them while they venture off on the Jeep Compass. For the interior design, we really focus on three categories: technology, comfort and convenience, and precision. So the instrument panel is made up of a wrapped mid-panel that is cradled by the sculpted lower decal trim that runs across the entire length of the instrument panel. So this horizontal layout is also emphasized by this bold gloss black center stack that positions the standard 8.4-inch and also a 10.1-inch high-definition display. These screens really features our next-gen Uconnect 5 system that is 5 times faster than today. The console offers over 2 times more storage than today. And all that storage is really up front so that the driver and passenger have easy access to. And it features a wireless charger and also have the wireless Bluetooth, Android Auto, and CarPlay. Some of the elements like the 360-degree door remote handle is inspired and pulled from the Jeep Wrangler that really creates this nice family look. And for the first time, heated seats are offered in the second row. And the air registers are also repositioned in the rear console to allow improved passenger comfort. Especially during this time, road trips are very trendy, so we want to make sure they have the connectivity they need to really enjoy the adventures that they go on to, and also just having that family quality time together. For the 2022 Jeep Compass, our customer will be wowed by our redesigned, simple, pure premium cabin that encapsulates all the exquisite details that we tailored to enhance that cabin's experience.